In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download images and icons from a Figma design template quickly and correctly so you can grab only the assets you need without exporting the entire design. This is super useful whether you're working on a website, app mockup, presentation, or any creative project where you need clean assets fast. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Figma design template and go to the frame or page that contains the image or icon you want to download. The first thing you need to do is select the asset. If it's a simple image or standalone icon, you can click directly on it. But if the icon is nested inside a frame, group, or component, you may need to hold Ctrl and click on Windows or Command and click on the Mac to select the exact layer you want. This is important because Figma can sometimes select the container instead of the individual asset, and we want to export the correct element. Once the asset is selected, take a look at the right-hand sidebar. This is where Figma shows all of your design properties, and if you scroll all the way down, you'll find the export section. This section may be collapsed at first, so keep scrolling until you see it clearly. The export area is what lets you turn a selected layer into a downloadable file. Now click the plus button in the export section. This adds export settings for the selected asset. After that, choose the file format that best fits your needs. If you're exporting an icon, SVG is usually the best choice because it stays crisp at any size and works great for scalable graphics. If you're downloading a regular image or need a raster file, PNG is a great option for high-quality transparency support. And JPG is useful when you want a smaller file size for photos or images without transparency. Next, choose the scale or size you want to export. In many cases, the default setting works fine, but if you need a larger or smaller version, you can adjust it here before exporting. This is especially helpful if you're preparing assets for different screen sizes or resolutions. Make sure everything looks right before you download, because this setting determines the final file that gets saved to your device. When you're ready, click the export button that shows the asset name. Figma will then generate the file and download it directly to your local machine. Depending on your browser settings, the file may appear in your downloads folder or ask you where you want to save it. Once the export finishes, you can open the file and use it in your project right away. And that's it. Now you know how to download images and icons from a Figma design template in just a few steps. The key is selecting the right layer, finding the export option, choosing the correct format, and then exporting the asset to your computer. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.